Good morning, class, and happy Monday. Today things will be a little different as we move into our third week of distance learning. We will be finishing up some old projects as well as moving on to new work in math and science. Every morning, you will see the morning meeting greeting along with the trivia question. Please greet everyone with the morning meeting greeting listed below and answer the trivia question. So for example, today on Monday, March 30th, our morning meeting greeting is Buenos dias. So when you reply to this announcement, please type in Buenos dias to greet everyone in a foreign language. Also, today's trivia question is, what is the largest land animal? You can include your trivia answer in with your greeting. Your classwork will be assigned differently today, and you will find it under the tab Classwork. You'll see here it'll say Work for Monday, March 30th, 2020. Tomorrow, it'll say Work for Tuesday, March 31st, 2020, and so on. Your work is according to the groups you meet with in class. So if you have Miss Mac for math, you will see Miss Mac's math assignments. If you meet with Miss Lanzafame for math, you will see Miss Lanzafame's assignments. You will all see our science assignments, and for today and tomorrow, you will see our reading assignments. Things will change as we move on in our distance learning, so it's up to you to pay attention to what your assignments are. Assignments are generally due at the end of each day, so please make sure you are working diligently to get all of your assignments done. Each subject should take you about 30 minutes to complete. So that's 30 minutes for literacy, 30 minutes for writing, 30 minutes for math, and 30 minutes for science. If you have any difficulties, please email us at our emails so that we can help you. We are available throughout the morning to answer any of your emails. Be safe and have a great day.